Hello and welcome to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have an unbagging from Fansells and want to thank Fansells for reaching out to me and sending these to me for review. I was hoping I would be able to have time to complete at least one of these because there are two that are really small, but unfortunately I ran out of time. I want to go ahead and get this posted, so I am going to do this hopefully sometime in April and have this out for you. Let's move these and let's first look at an off the canvas, an accessory. And I do like their pens. I purchased their pens before. And so this one I thought was really pretty. It's really blingy. And so I thought this would be a really cute pen. It does come with, I'll go ahead and put this on the end. This is our single placer. Keep this in here. And it's a really tight fit there. And then this also has a, looks like a 7 placer there. But this is what the pen looks like. It's really pretty. I need to move this in some, but that's okay. I'll take this out. You can either use these or you can use other placers. I will put metal placers in here, but I really like the bling and I like when the light hits it, and these are hearts. So that was really pretty. Something different. It's a lightweight pen. I like the bumps in it, so I'll definitely be using that. So I'm gonna move this one over to the side. Move my paper out of the way. And the next one, let's see, which one do I want to use? This one is another bookmark. And both of my daughters and I love to read. And we're always looking for bookmarks around the house. We never can seem to find what we do with our bookmarks. So I thought I will just make a couple of bookmarks, and that way we will have bookmarks in several places. So I saw this one, really liked it. My daughter also wants to give some bookmarks to her friends before she graduates from this program that she's in. And so that is in May, so I'm having to do that fairly quickly, but I thought this one was really pretty. There's actually 2 in here. These look really springy to me. One is just a bird sitting on a limb there, and then there's different leaves around the bottom. And then the next one here is a really pretty flower. So they coordinate each other really nicely. So I do like both of those. And it's a partial because you only will diamond paint some of this. You don't diamond paint all the background. So that's really sticky, so that's good. It's not sticky where it shouldn't be, so that's definitely a plus. So that's those 2. It does come with a boat, a small plate of wax, some baggies, and then also comes with a single placer. And then it also gives you on the bookmarks, it gives you these tassels to put on the end. And they're 2 just alike, so once I complete them, I'll put those on the end, and that's what we will use for our bookmark. And then we have just a few colors here for both of these. You can see these are actually crystals. Those are really pretty colors, a lot of greens, a little bit of red in there, some purple. So that will be really easy. I was really hoping that I'd be able to complete that, but just didn't see that was going to happen, unfortunately. Then we have this one. I thought this was a really cute item as well. That is stuck. Let's move that out of the way. This is an extremely small little snack. But I thought, how cute is that? Look how small he is. But I thought that would be really cute to do. Wouldn't take any time. Another one that I was hoping I would be able to get to, but then again, time just really got in the way. But that's really cute of a little panda. Again, you do get in the toolkit a small plate of wax. You get a boat, a single placer. That's all you're gonna need for that one. And then you have, I think, 6 colors that consist of red and green crystals. So So that one is also on my scheduled list to complete in April. And it has so much color blocking on here. It's not gonna take very long at all. This is something I could do on my lunch hour and still have time for lunch. It's very sticky, but it's so little, it's so cute. And I'll put that over to the side. And then I have these two. Let's go with this one. I guess I'm going from smaller to larger. This one I really like as well. I think all the ones that I've gotten this time are going to be the crystals. This is a very thin canvas. This one's a really thin canvas, but I like those that way. This only has 9 colors. It's a 30 by 40. It's kind of large for only 9 colors. It is a partial. It is a cat with a butterfly on its nose. Bring it out a little bit. So I thought that was really cute. Love that. And it's a partial because you do not diamond paint this part. The background is not diamond painted. It's only the cat and then the butterfly, so not a lot to diamond paint. So maybe it's okay for only 9 colors since there's not that much to diamond paint. Even the cat's eye does not get diamond painted. So very little will get diamond painted, but I love cats. Saw this one, thought this would be super cute. And for some reason, we have 2 toolkits here, and this one should have only gotten 1 really. But we have the same thing before, except with this one, the second toolkit, they do give us a small plate of wax. You also get a tweezers, but these tweezers are plastic. I can't use these, to be honest. I like my other tweezers that are the pointy ones. And I don't even really use tweezers. When I have to move maybe a drill over for some reason, I like to use my other tweezers. This is going to be with only 9 colors. Its majority is going to be black and a little bit of blue there and some green. This shouldn't take very long either, which is why I was really looking at these. I thought these will be really cute to do. Very nice summer projects. If I don't get to them in April or May, then that would be perfect for me when I'm at home working this summer, and also for my daughters who like to do the smaller ones. This one is really tightly wrapped. Let I have my scissors. For those of you that do not know, Fansells is a discount company. And so when I do order from them, they ask me if I'd like to pick something out. I'm very careful with what I pick out because their copyright laws are different than the ones in the US and the ones that I'm used to. So I do not want to get any artwork that could potentially be an infringement on the artist. This one, now this one's really thick and it's kind of dirty on the back. Let's see. This canvas is really thick. So it's gonna be kind of hard to roll. It's not gonna straighten out as well as the other one did. This is a thumbnail. It's of a little pug. My daughter now has a pug, and her name is Hattie. That's a dog, not my daughter, but the dog's name is Hattie, and I kept her several times. Very sweet dog. I saw this, and a really good friend of mine has a pug, so I thought this would be really cute to do. And if I liked it, I could do it for both of them. You'll get another one, but not sure how this rendering is going to look. To me right now, without any drills, it looks a little on the pixelated side, but I don't know until the drills are up. This one is a square, I think. Yes, this one is a square. But the funny thing about this one, it's a square, but you receive the typical toolkit, but this one they did not include tweezers, which is fine. I don't need the tweezers, but it's just interesting that they included tweezers for a round kit that was actually special drills, and then they did not include one for this square one, but that's okay. There are 21 colors here. The background of this looks to be a number 8, and that's gonna be kind of a beigey white, I think. So that, or pink, it's actually a pink. So we'll see how that's going to go with having to diamond paint all of that. It's gonna be a lot of color blocking, which that's nice, but it may be to where I get bored with it really fast, but we'll see. Let's look at the sticky on here. That's good and sticky. And it does have the schematic on the lower left and the upper right. So that helps if you like to use a schematic and you like to flip it around, you can see what your drills are going to be. And then also it does have at the top here, it will tell you the serial number, and that's F091. And if you don't keep your drills with your canvas, you can go here and all the drills will show F091. So that is helpful. I do tend to keep my drills with my canvas. This looked at first that the purple was mixed in with this other pinkish color behind it, but it's not. It's not mixed in, it just looks that way. And then there's, again, lots of purples and blacks and grays in here, pinks. So I think this will be really pretty. I will need to use washi on this one because the actual sticky goes way past the field of the drills, and that's okay. I mean, I don't really care about that so much because I can use washi tape and put that all around there. But I thought these were really cute, something different that I thought would be good for me to do and my daughter to do, and maybe something that you guys might like. But to recap, I've gotten this cute little pug, the cat with the butterfly on its nose, this really itty bitty panda, and then the pen. So I did really good this time. I kind of wrapped up. And then I have the 2 bookmarks. So that is all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this unbagging from Fansells. And I will put the link down to Fansells. I'll put the link down to all of these, and they will have the prices with them as well. The prices, are very decent. And if you're interested, take a look. I am not affiliated with Fansells. I don't receive any kind of discount or anything or commission. They just send me stuff to review. So, and again, until next time, have a good one. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and happy diamond painting. Bye.